So we wanted to show today and use this gorgeous kit from Lou at Creating Bloom Crafts. It's a resin necklace starter kit. So I'm just going to show what's inside it now. It comes in a lovely box.
Baby Apex!
Yeah, little baby Apex. So you've got your instructions, which were so detailed and lovely. Nice to use. And then all the other little bits, yep. So you've got little baby Apex of Apex One Coat. So you've just got enough for you to use for your kit. But it's so cute how diddy it is.
I know, and I will say, these kits have been so beautifully put together, haven't they, by Lou?
It was a pleasure to open. Then you get your little moulds for your orbs on your necklace. So you literally she's thought of everything. You get all the little bits that you're going to need. It's all beautifully put together as well. So you've got your pieces to finish off at the end that go on top of your mould. So once you've unmoulded, they attach to the top. And you've got all these little nice packages as well. It's beautiful. And then your fairy orb treasures. And it all comes already pre-dried by Lou as well. So you can have a little look through there. And there's like little pieces of like nuggets, and you've got moss, you've got leaves.
Oh, wow.
It's fun to have a look through and see what you want to use, because obviously you can use whichever bits you want.
These are all from Lou's area in the Cotswolds as well.
Yeah, she handpicked them.
Yeah, handpicked them.
Amazing.
Yeah.
And then this little bit as well, she's got everything in there. You've got your gloves, your sanding block that you might need. You've got your glue. She's even thought of the glue, so you can attach your bits at the end. So your little measuring cup.
Why say attach your bits? That's me being very childish.
Yeah, it's little super glue. So just unboxing it's lovely, isn't it? Just like open everything, and then there's chains, obviously. And the kit, I found you get 3 moulds, but you definitely get enough to make more than 3, I think. So, and then Lou's tips were that you might need the torch. I didn't actually need the torch, but the scissors are handy. Just grab yourself some scissors and some tweezers as well to cut them down, and a pen, which Lou gave a great tip. Just mark on the side of your measuring cup where you're going to pour up to, because sometimes it's a bit hard to see, isn't it, on the side of the cups? But I actually poured a little bit too much resin here, because you'd probably need 10 mils of your resin and 10 of your hardener.
Right,
for the 3 orbs, yeah. So next thing is, now we're just doing a water bath now of Part A resin, which is really important, just to make sure, because it's getting colder now, obviously. It just helps to reduce all those bubbles down.
That's definitely something you should do, just to help with those bubbles, especially with the One Coat, with it being a thicker resin. That just helps to minimise the bubbles.
Yeah. And obviously just Part A, and that was like just boiled from the kettle, so recently boiled water.
Really hot water, not lukewarm water, hot
nice
water.
And hot, and just leave it sat in there. And then this is just, I've got the resin in there now, so we'll just add the hardener from Baby Apex.
It's so cute.
Little diddy bottles.
Little baby bottles.
So yeah.
Is it literally you just put both bottles full in, or
no?
Lou
said 10 mils, so you definitely get a bit of extra. So I use the extra for something else. So I think I really did mix up too much.
Right, okay.
Yeah, but just mixing that together then now. Just making sure it's nice and clear and thoroughly mixed, and then just let it sit for a little bit. So while it sits, then you can start collecting together the pieces that you're going to put inside. So that just gives the resin chance to do its thing, degas and get rid of any of those bubbles.
Yeah, absolutely.
It makes it a lot easier. So it's designed to do that, for it to degas. So what I've done is I've separated the bits into 3 piles now, because Lou recommended that heavier items you put in down at the bottom of the mould, and then you're working your way up to the lighter items, because obviously they'll float more to the top. But it makes sure then that the pieces are like thoroughly through the mould.
Absolutely.
And your necklace. So you can just trim any little bits down, just like the leaves. And this was the fun bit, choosing which bits you were going to put in.
All these pretties.
Yeah. All these nice leaves and everything. One got away. So.
Wanted to escape.
Yeah. So taking the moulds now, you're going to put, with the resin that you've mixed that's been sat there for a while, you're going to put pour up to about a third up the mould of resin.
Right, okay.
So
look at that. Okay. No bubbles whatsoever.
Yeah, nice and clear.
Crystal clear.
Let it sit. So I was As usual, very messy here.
I was
I
gonna
ended up,
say.
it was all going so well, and then I think I ended up with all the bits stuck on my fingers because I've got resin. So just up to about a third of the way up.
A little funnel would be good for this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The thing did add a little lip though, it was quite good.
Right, okay.
So you just squeeze in then, you just squeeze in to make sure the resin's coated around the side, and also just to make sure any little micro bubbles have been popped as well. So repeat that on all three. And then you can start getting the pieces that you want to add in. So basically it's just up to you which ones you want. So taking your heavier items like the moss or the leaves, they all go in first.
Oh, this looks really fun.
It was so much fun. Making him get in there.
Yeah.
But I think in the end I was doing it with the trees, and I think I just gave up in the end and used my fingers, but that's what got me all in a mess.
And these kits are from Create and Bloom Crafts, guys, and she's got so many other beautiful kits. So check her out on her website, which is www.createandbloomcrafts.com. Oh, I can never get it right. We'll put a link at the bottom of the description anyway.
Yes, we'll add it. Yeah, make sure you visit the link, because this kit is beautiful, but she's got so many others that are gorgeous as well. Okay, so she even gives you the toothpick, so you can just push it right down, which came in very handy. So the toothpick was handy. Then again, just give it a squeeze, and that was to make sure that the resin's coating all the pieces that are in there, and making sure that it's all nice and covered. Okay, and then you're going to pour up another third, so 2/3 of the way up now.
Right.
So leaving just a little top section for you to put any other things. I think I dropped some of it's got lovely little gold nuggets and little things and little pieces like shells. So just drop them in before this bit so they sit more at the bottom. Okay, repeat again. And then these beautiful little pieces, like these little tiny little flowers that were so lovely. So are they picked? So Lou's actually picked. They're gorgeous.
They're all hand-picked from the Cotswold, Burton on the Water, where she lives.
Yeah.
And they're all hand-picked, and the girls, two girls help her.
Yeah.
Molly and Ellie.
They were beautiful little purple flowers, because I kind of tried to decided to do one that was like green and purple, and then stick to one that was like pinks and golds, but there's just so much in there, and there was plenty as well. There's so much you can use it for something else.
Yeah, you've got extras, haven't you?
Yeah, you get so much. And then the things as well, like the little tin you can keep in the box. It was just lovely.
These are great for Christmas as well.
Yeah, gifts.
So either a gift to an artist that you know of, or you're going to create the necklaces to be gifts.
And it's great for it. I mean, this is the first time I've ever made resin jewellery, and it was really easy to follow. So then now the little bits, you just unmould in there. The bits that are sticking out the top, that doesn't matter, because you're going to trim them off in a bit.
Oh, they're lovely.
Yeah,
absolutely
lovely,
beautiful. They're so lovely.
There's the little nuggets, yeah. Then that's the green one with more moss in.
Wow, they're lovely. I was nearly going to say they're delicious. They look like sweets.
They look like sweets, don't they? I love that little feather thing.
Yeah, it's cute.
Okay, you even get your little sanding blocks. You're just going to sand off the rough edges then, and with the super glue provided, just stick the other bits back on.
Yeah.
So, and then you get your 3 necklaces, but like I say, there was enough to make some more. They're absolutely beautiful. So I was really pleased with that.
You've done an excellent job at that,
Yeah, and the instructions were just really easy to follow, and it was lovely. And obviously the one coat was perfect for jewellery making.
Beautiful. Really nice kit.
Yeah.
Look at them.
So it'd be nice as a gift, like you say. Or...
Yeah. Hey, mum's gift.
Yeah,
sorted.
there you go. So thank you so much for watching, and let us know in the comments what you think. And I'll, as we say, we'll tag all the products in the description so you can get some too. Bye.
Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.